Welcome to a quick tutorial on creating videos with Fliki AI, your new favorite video tool. First, choose your script or upload your own content to start creating your video. Next, select a voice from Fliki's diverse range of AI voices that best fits your video. Then, customize the visuals by adding images or videos that align with your message. Preview your video to see how the AI has transformed your script into a visual story. Finally, download your video or share it directly to social media from Fliki. Creating professional videos is now at your fingertips with Fliki AI. Start crafting your story today.